Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds. One command in the terminal. Wait for a few lines to appear. Still waiting. I think it's ready. No, it's ready. It runs in the browser. And localhost for me. I'm the guy in the middle. First I have to choose a class. I still want musician, so I take the 5. I take sign to start. It decides the enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. And my HP reaches 0. I die, and I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. Let's... No. Okay. I'm running a direction with a lot of enemies, so I should place a lot of nodes. Duplicate. Try the best. Like that. Doesn't. Not get currently. Triangle deploy. Well, it's not like a song I create here, but just some random noise, I would say, but let's play like it. This is probably the best sign. Speed per unique node, yes. I have a lot of unique nodes. I zoomed. No. Okay. What do I take? I just randomly. Let's do size. I think I should have some small transparency, especially with so many nodes, it's hard to see. Okay. Slow is nice, but do I hit them? Who's die so fast? I think the slow is not helpful. Contour. Do I have tick and boost? Don't take this much. Okay, fine. No. Still far too squishy. Do you have to wait here? Okay, for the boss, the slow is good. Flip a node. Tanky. Okay. Okay. Stay close. And I win. Okay. Copy last replay. A long musician. New test one. Okay, what do I work on today? Musician is a 1. Cost version increase. 9. Okay. I wanted 1/8 and 1/16 notes. Already had them, but I need to adapt the sheet. Okay. Hmm. Let me think. I have to look over the musician code. It's to do with painting and casting. Terminal clicked button, no cast. This will also change, I guess. Music sheet width per note. Max play ticks, and I now need to know what selected music sheet. What is allowed note? Just give me the width. Because if it's 1, it doesn't change it. If it's 0.5, I double it. But I think I calculated at multiple positions. And this will change in the future. I cannot size more and more. Let's find out. I position to music note. The unwounded tick. Oh, it gets interesting. I have the music sheet width in here. Does this work? Maybe. I don't believe. I have 3 rows of stuff, so it's actually 33. Use it. I use it. Most. Here I have again selected. I have no idea if this will work. Don't. This could be the last. It looks like the last. Okay. Now if I here, I'm interested in here 1/8. No. Saved? Saved. Okay. Oh my. It does work, but it doesn't allow. So I now need to lower the positions in between. How do I do it? It's still cast node. The unwounded tick. Position to node. I wound it. Why do I do this? This is no longer correct. Because I allow. Okay, I can fix this, I guess. This means I need to divide selected sheet. Multiply it. Which means I now have different available ticks. Do I use this tick? I set the tick here, okay. Let me think. This could be it. Let's see. Go I. I can only give every second semitone. Okay, where is the semitone set? If I'm a duplicate, he also has a tick. Unwanted tick, unwanted tick. Okay, I didn't want to calculate this. Didn't want to this in it. No, it should be correct. Now I should be able to place. Should I? What if I node click? Unwanted tick tick. Minus 0.1. This might not be correct. What is 0.1 in this case? I think I have to multiply. No, I don't have the values for it. Let's see what happens. Can place it. I cannot place it. Tick. And I change the tick. On the tick and tick. Duplicate node. Define delete. Something is still off. cast node. So someone else doesn't have the wounding yet. So I probably could have clicked it. If I node click. Tick. Here. Duplicated code, but for now accept it, and now I can for all. Far so good. Now I need to check for 16s, but it should work too. Uh, 16. So now it's getting very long. Perfect. Then make a new one. Okay. So I can do 16 nodes and 8. Doesn't feel like it's on the right delay, but slightly delayed. Okay, but fine. Now I need a button to modify it, but how do I visualize it? For 816, I could. So this is left false. I put it to the right. I call it shortest node or something. Shortest node action. It's not defined yet. Where? Here. shortest node. Thanks. I4 here. This node is no. Should copy this thing. Here it's the case. I don't need to copy it because I hope it's me. It is not perfect. The break after it. And what do I need when I click it? Oh, I have the selected music sheet. I do this allowed node. If to cycle. I make the switch better. Yes. Switch for so. Switch in a switch. Case. Shouldn't he? Also, it's not a string, of course. Break case. No. So if it's 1, it goes to 1, 8. No, if it's 1, 4. It's perfect. 3. Target 1, 8 goes to 1, 16th. And 1, 16th gets to 1, 4th. Perfect. I missed one, I guess. Start stop is the only one. Let's see. Start stop, no. No is we want to display a number, so it's the shortest node. This is a number. Fixed. No, this will always be 1. What do I need? If this is 1 multiplied by 4, this would be 4, 2, so it's incorrect. Is it 1 divided? This would be 1, 2, 4 times 4. This could be correct. At least what I want. Can I change the font? Let's see. 16 for 16. Okay, this is this breaks because I cannot place here. Do I want this? This is an okay, no, it's what I want. No, I don't see anything. No, it's already too long. Zoom out. Why is the head gone? Okay, I didn't fix the head for all instruments. Is it paint head? These two get ahead. These two get ahead. I forgot. Perfect. Now I can check. Can't remove them. It's hard to see the squares. Let's do signs. Is that easier? With 16 notes, these many enemies probably get easier. squares are. Sounds worse. Triangle. Okay, they invoke the 1/8 and 1/16, so what I wanted is get them to default 1/4 start nodes. I forgot. Yes, was somewhere here. I could search for this one. It is. Did miss it. All start with. Okay, I want now. I put it within a quarter, no 16th and 8 nodes. 1/8 and 1/16 nodes. Music T sheet. Okay, commit. Next. next. See my tasks. Should I do something for them? Base octave. Let's try. How is it called? Music sheet tutorial. Now here, clef, bass clef. They are moved. Somewhere else. Not sure how I should switch F, G, A. So if I have nodes in the sheet and I change it, I think I should also move the nodes. Only allow it before it's set. Don't think treble clef has a character in ASCII. So I paint my own probably. So needs to fit. I see it. Oh, he also displays I can go 3 below and above. Didn't know. Did I do it? I have 1, 2. Yes, I have the same. I can. And missing one. I have to go 1 below. I think this shouldn't be too hard. Music sheet. So I click. Cast a node. Get the position. Why this important one? And I allow. And 5. Minute. Check the negative direction. I never check for why do I care then? B1, B2, B3. So there are 3 Bs. This explains why I cut it off, I guess. Down is smaller, so maybe this. I should cut off here. don't think I should cut off here. Remove this and it takes the line number instead. This probably, let's see. No, it's correct. Okay, then I go again. I need the clef. Or no, I didn't want to save this. Clef or bass clef. Treble or bass clef. Music sheet. I have now the clef, which can be treble or treble. Seems correct. I start with the treble clef. Oops. So far so good. It's not visualized and I cannot click it yet. Have to decide how I change notes, but problem for later. Have to think. You basically just need an area at the start to visualize it. I need the size for this. I paint it. Can I treble clef? Probably. It's always like this. Okay. Clef, there's even a third one. Alto clef. Okay. Is it mentioned in here too? First glance, it doesn't look like it. This is 4. 3, this is 2. 4. I might be too low already. I think I'm on 3. I don't know if this matters. So I don't need it based on like I can play different notes. Let's keep these two. Can just paint a placeholder for. Okay. Which means I have to put a bit space to the left. The clef. Let's make a const clef 20. I can change it. I need to move buttons to the left. Okay. Start with paint. Sheet lines. Und direct white. Okay, this also has to start. Sheet width is increased. The clef is not part of most stuff, so I will do it like this. Now, so the fill rect to the left, and I can increase it by 2. For line painting, I have to do it like this. This should work. Splitter top right. These are the splitter, they do not move. This keeps being the same. It's also there's a lot of stuff I did not yet. These are paint buttons. Move them. Buttons is left. I have to the clef width, move it more left. Let's see. Buttons. Do this. It's my ability. Forgot what this does, but let's ignore for now. Let's copy it and see what I get. CTX the selected sheet and then I have everything. I'm not sure the type. Ability music. Okay. Put ability before, it might be incorrect. Music sheet is not a ability. It's not yet. Did I miss? Music sheet width. Missed. Change this. Hello, yes, I respond to comments. Scythe or what? At least if I notice them. Buttons. Top left. And selected sheet music. Gee, I lost. What did I lose? One size, okay. I know about Berta will know, it doesn't say anything to me. More. But I guess it has nothing to do with programming. So, random topic I could look later. Okay, but if it's not about programming, I won't do it on the stream at least. Offset, so I think I move this to so I can move this away again. I can get the font size back. I accidentally deleted it. Well, I deleted it too soon. I think sounds like it could be const. Paint buttons, I moved them left. And clicking needs to be adjusted. Determine click button. Button. To reduce. Move it to the left. Is this? Yes, okay, let's see. Now I have some interesting. One is move the things correctly. This different. The one was not a button, I remember. Now I know this thing was. This is sheet sheet number, and I need to move it. Also my left width. Oh, the one. Okay. I have it. Okay. Now I can adjust the space. Let's check if I do 50, it should work. See, okay. Now I need to paint something at this spot. Music sheet lines, paint node. Let's see, paint clef. I will need. No, what did he do? Clef. Don't. CTX. I have left music sheet. Width is not this interesting. Selected sheet. Don't need width. Canvas T. So I have these values. I just want to paint something now. Should I do fill rect? Just to know if I hit the correct spot. B. Top left music sheet X. Y. Not the button width, button height. The height of this. I have the width is clef width. This one. Okay. Should have a blue square there. Can paint it. And I do not have I have selected sheet. Selected sheet clef. Label. Now I want to be able to click it. Click. Determine clicked button. Clicked button. Let's make a function for it. Function execute button click. Is this correct? Yes. Selected music sheet. Music. Okay. Sheet. It's a clicked button, which is sheet button. Should have everything, I guess. Button. So far so good. Now I can do an else. Oops. No. I do an else. I could return. An else. I want clef click, let's say. Uh, position. position. To visualize it, should visualize it. Function determine click. Cast node ability owner. Do not care, I guess. Last position will be one thing. And okay, I need to calculate again left top. Not interested in the white. I'm sheet widths. I need the widths. Okay. Ability owner. Top. Ability mutes. I have left and top. Some checks. Left X hit would be if last position X is equals music sheet left. Oh, no, left and it's bigger. Let's do bigger clef widths. Is this correct? Would be so if clef X hit not, I return false. This returns a boolean and something for Y. Past position Y. Sheet top. Smaller the top and bigger smaller top. Zero. Two. No, bigger. The top, smaller. Add. Let's think. Is it music sheets where I have the head? And head, okay. This should be and return left. Return left click. It's not quite a click, but once the clef click validity owner, validity music sheets, cast, new sheet widths. And now if clef click select music sheet clef is equals, okay, now I need to cycle. Sparse it would be treble sparse. Switching should work already. Yeah, I noticed that I select text top left. Keep us in treble, don't do anything. Okay, let's stop. Let's go to GNU. File, new. I have 130 or something. Oh no. 30, 100 or something. Is it 100? Don't know. And I have something like this. No, it's far too big to have this. Seems fine. Oops. Okay, let's try it. Perfect. Is it always inside the sheet or does okay, it goes below both? So one more try, but it was So I have a clef. No, I have failed. Ein odd channel. Stop. Want this. Right. Select none. Thanks. Now I can. So my beautiful clef. Yes. Clef. Just. This is my treble. Oh. Is this a search? No. It's not the tree I save. Spot. Okay. Close. Need images. I do not have an image here yet. Snipe has an image. No. Here is an image. On the ability name. Type. Once images are input. I don't have ability name, but I will. Image treble clef. Now I need the name. Clef. Also good. Did I need to do more? I don't think so. Get image, draw image. Okay. By paint. Paint clef. F get image. Image table. Now let's call it clef. Clef get image. It's a clef and I have a paste position. Music. Okay. See what happens. Oh, my beautiful clef. um, this should hit top and bottom. It's down too much. I move to move it up a bit. It's 20. Or is this too much? Now this line is correct, but the bottom is how high it is above. To 10. This is as good as it gets. Okay, I have no need for the text anymore. So he always paints a clef. Wait. Let's do it like this. I have to think. Treble and bass. So probably treble. I also need the bass. I should. Don't know if this is a good idea. Treble clef. Next image. Bass clef. Do I need them? Let's do it like this. Other clef was this is already the correct size. I take everything, move it. Okay, select none, save as. This should be the bass clef. Save. I have to check. Line. So around this. Forgotten. So about here. Now I paint simple. I need 2 points. The width is a bit higher. I move it? Say I move it like here. Did I do color? This the image size. This. Oh yeah. In the top. Okay. Perfection. Save. As an export. Basclef. Exactly. Basclef. And B. Basclef. Perfect. Now I have a Basclef. This might even change when I click it. Crashed the game. Oh, it worked? Why? Did it have to do with... Okay, he doesn't have the value. I should make about white. I need to react on it. If I hover. Let me think. Ability. And clef. My ability. This should modify it. I could put some value. Paint clef, determine clef click. Clef ability. I can have it. Next I would need ability music sheets. I have. Cast position is game. No, I don't have the game here. Then let's do it differently. Ability owner here. Sheet. Game. Relative. Oh, this is not correct. The get camera position? No. And node, hover node. Oh no, I determined the node already. Hover node, where do I determine it? Hover node. Position to hover node. Mouse position. Current mouse position. I determined it already. Here. That undefined or position. Position to map. Clef. Is my ability and can check this. This should also be set. Like sheet widths. No const. Clef hover. Const clef hover. To else. Clef hover. I need some value here. Clef hover is false. Here it's can be true. Is I what do I do? Hover effect. Boolean, let's call it this. I have the clef if hover effect. It's times 0.5 and move it back and see what happens. I okay. So far so good. Now it needs to have an effect on the nodes. How do I do it? Think placed and visualized nodes are now dependent on this. which means I have to same. Should I change existing octaves? I will see later. Okay, first I need check. Here he doesn't tell me. Wikipedia tells me something of C2, C4 and C2, C6. Currently use, I think 2 to 4, so I'm on the lower ones. Oh, I have the base octave is 4. But it goes down from 4. I think he goes 6, and if I go down from 6, let's see if I'm base octave to 6. Okay. Should I call it the clef octave? But yeah, differently. Let's do 5. Maybe. Sounded too high. Let's take this. I use this. I determine the line. And determining the line is now dependent on the clef. So I use music selected sheet. Music sheet. This now has my clef, and the clef determines everything. Music note. I get the line based on music note. This is octave. I'm confused. Get the line. I have to modify it. GDC So the order is the important one, and then I have to modify it. This octave. This is for clef. Oktave. So spelling. Octave. And I want it to be the clef. The treble octave. Let's call it the bass octave to 2. I think I need to do it to 3 because after what I see, it's 2 down. Should be fine. Do I want them to be different? I think I just use the treble octave. Now, if selected music sheet, clef is the bass, then I need to change it. So this needs to be a let. This will mean, what do I do? How much is it changed? Still a C down there? No, it's lower. Is it 14? Do not have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So probably 16. I have a C4 here. And it goes up to there. So it goes up how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, not 16. No, they are half jumps. So it's half the 6.5. See what happens. So the lowest, C4, be the highest. I'm on treble. And very fast. So did I do debugger? I did not fix something. New coach, of course. He wants selected sheet. Thanks. Again, I put it so on the line. Here. I have it line through. And now if I change it to clef, it goes up to so it's one too high, I guess. Six. I think yes. So and it goes to there. From there to there. Perfect. Now I have this one. Now I need... No. Second place. I post to music note. Note. Treble octave. Octave. Something doesn't add up, am I thinking? The octave in the note will change now. The line number, index. I could move it, let index, and now I can check if the selected sheet clef is bus, then I have index. I have to move it down. To move it down, I have to move it down. This is 12. I have no idea. Up. Okay. Down. Basically, yes. So it already is correct, but do I do? Cannot display them down there. Let's say I change the octave of the notes, and then there will be outside. Then nothing. Okay, let's go to stability, cast note. No. Cast note is I took the wrong turn. Determine click, determine clef click. No, wrong turn. Yep, clef click. Do this, and now for let node of selected music sheet. Notes. Say node point tab. I need to know which type of switch it was. If clef once switch once octave change equal if it's bus. Oh, it's bus is a shorter word. If it's currently bus, I do -2, else I do +2. Plus octave change. So And I should do it like this. Which changes them. Let's see. I have start. This is the lowest. Oh, I cannot access these. Could switch back and remove. Perfect, okay. Now I have I like, okay. Good enough. Now I have Game Tough. I have the two clefs. Clef. Also I have music sheet. Check, trick. The boss. And this. Music sheet. Crown is flying. Boss does nothing. Not boss defeat king. King boss does nothing. That's something I do. Now I have music sheets clef. How to handle long music sheet is now my problem. Okay, that's not for today. But I then 8 notes play. Let me see. I have notes I could. Do not allow stacking. Okay, this was something for next time. I can play one on and see. Also, change minor version. Minor version. Changes in okay. Change minor version when okay. I play one note, I would guess. Let me see. It's confusing that it's not top letter. Since this doesn't matter. I take musician, shine. I make this and no. It's this 60 notes. But take I modify them. No. Sounds terrible. I'm so bad at music. But it works like I want it to work. Maybe I need a clear button? And I'm dead. Okay. I lose the run because I can't do good music. Okay. But how far away am I from? Work in progress. Probably these three things. It's taking. Let's do only square. Let's do 8 nodes. Oh no. This is second boss and I'm doing too little damage. Damage is too much spread, probably. And I'm also not far into the level. Maybe squares are not strong enough. Could be. I never checked the damage meter. But I have a new run, I can check it. Guess I try to reach the end. My test runs. Test replace. Can also try better synthesized sounds. I think the replay breaks because of changes. do not have the clef, my weapon will fail. Means I will need a new musician one. Also, if it fails, I should increase version. Probably. It works okay. And it's good. It fails, okay. Could be the reason it fails. I have... This shouldn't change anything. It's just painting. Leave. Yeah, new button. I moved the buttons around. I have the clef sign. Did I press the buttons? I don't know. That would be reason if I clicked at this position. I have to think a bit. The width of the sheet changed, so there can be stuff which behaves differently. Let's accept that there can be something, but maybe. Short multiplayer test. Player 1. Start musician. Save. Now if I change my sees it. The button press. It's converted correctly because I have the click and the action and okay. Save for him. And if I just press these ones, it will fail. I think I used them, so it makes sense. And it feels like higher notes are louder. Maybe I need to adjust volume for it. Okay, but it works. And let me data restart. I need a new musician, musician, because it's broken. The game once, so I can push. And with this, I guess I come to an end for today. Anything I forgot? I don't think so. Oh, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.